All right, Troy Kearns, real estate investor, bringing it to you from my Las Vegas office. And in today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting topics that you're ever going to hear on YouTube, which is how you can fire your boss, quit your job, you're fired, and get into real estate investing. So let's get into it. So in this day and age, it's rare for an individual to stay at a company till retirement. It's even rare for that individual to stay in the same career path for the rest of their life. It's not like the past generations where someone would work at the steel mill for 40 years, collect a pension, retire, and now people have access to the internet, YouTube, things like that, and people are looking to change. And that's why you're here. You're at the Troy Kearns channel because you're looking to get started investing in real estate. The cool thing about career mobility, unlike your father or grandfather's generation, career mobility allows you to explore different career paths and different opportunities that are around you. And that's gonna allow you to experiment, to grow, and to explore your passions. And sure, you have a job, and sure, it's paying the bills, but you want just a little bit more, don't you? It's not fulfilling, it's not enough, and you want more. And most importantly, it's just not helping you get ahead financially. It's called the rat race. And if you're feeling stuck at your job, you're not the only one. Understand that. Research shows that over 70% of all employees are not happy with their career choices. So let me give you the step-by-step play of how you can get started investing in real estate and how you can quit your 9-to-5 job or your whatever job. We say 9-to-5 because that's commonly referred to as the old 9-to-5. So the first step is to build the assurance that you might need to be comfortable with a little bit of a nest egg before you quit your 9-to-5. What does that mean? You need to start saving money. And basically, the amount of money that you want is enough money to cover you for the next 6 months, the next year. You really want to start with whatever your financially free number is, right? You want to find out a number that is going to be the amount of money that you can survive on. Let's use $5,000 for these purposes. Let's say if you could generate passive income. Passive income is income that is earned through investment. It's not exactly passive. You're gonna have to do some work for it. It's taxed at a lower rate because it's not earned income. It's not active income. It's passive income. What you're trying to do with real estate is you're trying to create passive income, money that comes in every month, mailbox money, right? Money that comes in every month. It's not in your mailbox anymore. It's in your inbox. It's in your bank account. It's in your ACH, whatever the heck it is. It's money that comes in every month, no matter what you do, that covers your expenses. And that's how you become financially free in real estate. Your second step is, after you identify how much money you need to survive, to pay the bills, then what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to find a mentor. And good news for you is all you gotta do is subscribe to this channel and I'll be your mentor for free. If you want coaching, we will offer that down the road. If you're wondering how to get started in real estate, your first critical step is to find a mentor. Find someone who knows more than you do. Ask them questions and read everything that you can get your hands on, or watch every video that they put out. Hello, I'm putting them out for you. Watch them. They're free and they tell you a lot of information that I have learned in the last 19 years of investing in real estate about how to become financially free. So that advice is out there, it's free, it's there for you to use, so make sure you use it. And here's why having a mentor is especially critical when you're starting out. When you're first starting out in real estate, you're gonna find out it's very difficult just to get started. You're going to encounter a lot of just head questions, things that you don't understand, things that you're not certain of, and that's what you need that mentor for, right? Somebody to guide you down the road, show you where the turns are, show you where the stop signs are, tell you when to hit the brakes, and when you encounter obstacles. You'll find it difficult to find deals, make offers, all of that stuff, and developing an exit strategy. However, having somebody else give you valuable advice is irreplaceable. And this will help you quickly advance and shave years, tens of years off of your mistakes. If you want to check out the video with my buddy Ryan Haywood, who's a big time wholesaler, check it out. He quit his job, quit his 9-to-5, made a lot of money his first year. I know what he's making his second year. I'm not gonna say it, but it's incredible how just by taking a leap of faith, by finding a mentor, by finding someone that can help you, will advance you, and it will shave years off of the mistakes that you'll make. And that's why you need to follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and follow all of my socials. Subscribe to this channel because we're putting out information that's geared specifically to you to help you become successful in real estate. That's the whole goal of this entire channel is I'm gonna share the knowledge that I have with you so that you can become successful by investing in real estate. That's it. That's the whole goal of this channel. So make sure that you're watching the videos, make sure that you're taking notes, and make sure that you're doing it repetitiously so that you're getting the information over and over again. And that just doesn't go for my show. There's other good shows out there. There's other guys out there that you're gonna wanna follow. There's other ladies out there that you're gonna wanna follow. There's other people out there that are gonna register, but you need to reprogram your brain through mentorship, through other people who are investing in real estate. After you find a mentor, after you're ready to go, you need to choose your niche and your market. Because picking your niche is one of the most crucial steps to investing in real estate. What do I mean by that? Are you gonna become a wholesaler first? Are you gonna become a flipper first? Are you gonna become the and/or signee guy? Are you gonna become the subject to guy? Are you gonna become the probate guy? Are you gonna become a rent and hold guy? Are you gonna become a commercial investor? Find what your market is, find what your niche is. Are you gonna invest in San Antonio, Texas? Are you gonna invest in Oklahoma? Are you gonna invest in South Dakota? Are you coming to Las Vegas? Are you following me to Kansas City? Are you going to Naples with me? Where are you gonna invest and what is your niche? Once you find a good niche and once you find a market, that's where the big bucks start to kick in. Like if you're all over the place, you're like, I wanna be a wholesaler, I wanna be a flipper, I wanna be a buy and hold guy. Listen, this is step by step. Well, and I hate to say this, but you're actually gonna need to secure some capital, right? Banks aren't gonna loan you money just for you saying, hey, I got a deal. You need to find private money, hard money, other types of money, or maybe you have a bank that you're gonna work with, but generally when you are getting started investing in real estate, you're gonna need to find private money, hard money, available money for real estate investors. Make sure that when you're raising capital, your first game plan is I'm treating this money better than my own money. I'm treating my investors' money better than my own money. Why? I can be risky with my money. I can lose my money and it's only gonna affect me. If I lose my investors' money, then I lose my credibility, I lose my reputation, and guess what? I'm not gonna be able to raise any more capital. And the truth is, you really can't scale your business without having access to capital. I'm gonna talk to you about that personally. So I was flipping from 2013 till about 2016 with my own capital, right? I would do lots of creative financing. I would do subject twos. I would borrow money from mom. I would borrow money from friends. What I'm gonna tell you is that there's all sorts of guys out there, hard money lenders, guys who will loan you money based on a deal, right? I am one of those types of guys. If you got a deal and you have the right deal, bring it to a guy on YouTube who talks about it. See if they're real, because if you bring me a real deal, I'm gonna loan you the money on the deal. I'm not talking about some BS type of a deal. I'm talking about, hey Troy, I got this house, it's worth 100 grand, I got it tied up for 30, are you interested? Give me a call, right? We're talking real deals. You need to find real good deals and then find real guys with investment money. And I'm gonna tell you, so when I got that money, I had actually gone to every bank in town in Las Vegas, not every bank, but a lot of the banks, and they had turned me down for financing. They wouldn't loan me money. They said, no, we're not in the business of doing that. So I kind of gave up. And then all of a sudden, right before I gave up, I got a phone call from Lending Home. They were prospecting me. And they said, hey, we see you do a lot of flips. They did their research. They said, we see you do at least 10 flips a year and we'd like to loan you money. The minute that happened, my business changed. Now I can buy a property with only 10% down and they finance 100% of my repairs. So instead of spending $100,000 on a property, I spend $10,000 on a property, right? And they pay for all the repairs. I might pay more money in interest and everything like that, but how many more deals am I able to do? Because if I'm tying up $100,000 on one deal, when it cost me $10,000 on that same deal, I could do 10 of those deals to the one deal that I could do before without the capital. Do you understand how leverage and capital can help you grow in real estate? If you don't, make sure that you watch more of our videos about how to get started in real estate. After you secure your financing from private money, from hard money, and then what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to start building your team. Creating a robust and helpful investing team is one of the most critical steps to making you successful for long-time real estate investing, right? You need to have people around you that are gonna help you succeed, right? That's one of the most important steps. If I didn't have the people that I had around me helping me succeed, I would not be successful. You need a team. And your team should provide you with all of the things that you don't have knowledge of. Like your team should be your accountant, your team should be a lawyer. Your team should be people that have answers for questions that you haven't run into yet. They're gonna be able to offer you guidance, suggestions, and things to do when you run into obstacles, when you run into challenges, or when you just have questions and you don't know what to do. For instance, you might wanna hire a real estate broker to help you find deals. You might want to hire a real estate attorney to help you structure your company. And you're definitely going to need a reputable insurance agent, part of your team, for investing in real estate. And you're going to want an accountant to keep you advised of all the tax laws that are constantly changing and helping you watch your bottom line. And probably the most critical step of all of this, and I know it may not sound like it, but having the right contracting team is the most critical step of this whole operation, in my opinion. Because if you hire a contractor who doesn't know what he's doing, it can cost you money and it can cause you liability, right? If you hire somebody who knows what they're doing, knows how to fix things quickly, knows how to move fast, knows how to look for the right permits, knows how to pull the right permits when they need them, then that's gonna help you move your property fast and quick. Finally, you're gonna need to be able to find and make great deals, right? There's an old adage in real estate, it's you don't make money when you sell, you make money when you buy, right? So when you buy the deal or when you put the property under contract, that's where you make your money. If you're looking to get started, you need to watch our video on Driving for Dollars. You need to binge watch this whole entire channel because really, this channel is all about getting you started investing in real estate and making sure that you're successful in real estate. And I started just where you're at right now, trying to figure it out on my own. And you got my help. So like we mentioned before, you need mentorship, you need help. So there's other guys like me, watch them, watch me, compare ideas, see what makes the most sense for you, but definitely take action. And finally, track your progress, right? Rome wasn't built in a day. I didn't become a successful real estate investor overnight, right? Success has a journey, success has a path, success has a trail. And you need to make sure that you're tracking your progress in order to see how successful you're being. So make sure you get started investing in real estate. Make sure you get started by watching all my videos, by taking the advice that we offer here, the free mentorship that we offer here. It allows you to get started investing in real estate today.